Here I have Realme Narzo 50, and today I'm going to show you how to copy contacts on this device. So firstly you have to open contacts list, then tap here, go to its settings, then go to the import, select SIM card because we're gonna copy contacts from SIM card to our device. Then select contacts which you want to copy, for example, I don't know, maybe this one, tap import, and after that these 3 contacts will be imported to your contacts list, just like this. Contact on my device, and here they are. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.